Hi guys, and welcome to my second tutorial in English now. As I mentioned in my last English tutorial, this is only a try if you like my English tutorials or not, because it's very time expensive to make a tutorial in two languages. But I think let's go ahead with my tutorial. Today it's Christmas and I don't have time to make a big tutorial, especially in two languages, though I'm sorry for that, but I hope you like it too. And if you like the tutorial, please leave me a comment below that I know that I don't waste my time to make a tutorial in English. And let's go ahead with my idea. I have the idea I like to make great pictures with a kiwi, but not a kiwi bird. You maybe know it from New Zealand. I like to take great kiwi pictures with a kiwi fruit. You can find it in nearly every supermarket. And now let's go ahead with the material we need for it. Of course I use normal kiwi fruits. It doesn't matter if you buy the green kiwis or the golden kiwis. Both are lovely later on your pictures. And for the light I had a normal flashlight, and additionally I used the ultraviolet light. But if you don't have ultraviolet light, normal flashlight, you will also get lovely results of your pictures. But with the ultraviolet light you get the typical ultraviolet style in your pictures, and I love this style, so I used it additionally. And for the underground I have two slate plates, but you can use also different plates if you like, a wood plate or only a normal paper as underground. And in the back, my backdrop is only brown paper, and I will fix it on a lot of books with only a tape that it don't fall, but you can also use a different backdrop if you like to. And then you need only one paper clip, and then you need a spray bottle full of water. And additional item, if you have an e-cigarette, you can also use it to get a bit smoke on it. And I think these are all my items, so let's go ahead. First of all, you have to take your paper clip and you have to bend it like this. And if you have this, you can place it between two slate plates like I do, or if you have only one plate you can fix it with a bit clay on it. And this is a base structure for your kiwi disc. Now you can take your slate plates or your different underground, and if you have two plates you can use your paper clip between and fix it. And if you don't have two slate plates, as I mentioned, you can use a bit clay and fix it on the top of your surface. And then you can use your kiwi disc and place it in front of the paper clip. And then you can use your torch or flashlight, bring it in the back behind the kiwi disc. And now you can fix your backdrop on the box. And now you can take your pictures. Now you have to refine your image and you have to be creative. You can use the water spray, the smoke from the e-cigarette, the ultraviolet light from the torch or the normal torch, and you can combine all together. There are no limits, so be creative. Today I will show you my camera settings under each picture I took, and let's go ahead with my results. liked my tutorial, and I'm glad about every comment and subscribing of my channel, and I wish you a nice Christmas time and a happy new year, and I will be back next year, hopefully also in English if you like to. And now I wish you a good time. We will see us. Ciao!